LinkedIn has emerged as a powerful tool for businesses and entrepreneurs. If leveraged correctly, this platform can be a game changer for your venture in the digital age we live in. Stay tuned to discover the key to unlocking LinkedIn's full potential for your business. A professional and complete LinkedIn profile is the first step towards leveraging LinkedIn for business. Now let's dive into the key elements for creating a compelling profile. First on the list is your profile picture. This is the first thing people see, so ensure it is clear, professional, and represents you accurately. Next is the headline. This should not simply be your job title. Instead, consider it as a mini value proposition. Make it catchy and include keywords that potential clients or partners might search for. Moving on to the summary. Here, tell your story. Share what you do, why you do it, and what makes you unique. Use this space to showcase your personality, your background, and your skills. Lastly, the experience section. List your relevant roles and achievements, but remember, it's not a resume, it's a platform to demonstrate how you've made an impact in your field. A well-curated LinkedIn profile can pave the way for potential business opportunities. Building a strong network is the key to unlocking LinkedIn's potential. It's the cornerstone of any successful business strategy. But how does one go about it, you may ask? Simple. Start by connecting with industry professionals. These are the people who share your interests and ambitions, and they're pivotal in driving your LinkedIn success. They might offer advice, share opportunities, or even become collaborators. Next, seek out and join relevant groups. These are the virtual meeting places where professionals in your field gather to share insights, discuss trends, and provide support. Participating in these groups not only expands your network, but also positions you as a thought leader in your industry. Lastly, don't just be a passive observer. Engage in conversations, offer your thoughts, ask questions. This active participation can help you forge meaningful relationships, enhancing your reputation and credibility. Remember, a strong network isn't just about numbers, it's about quality connections that can open doors to new business ventures and opportunities. Sharing valuable content is a proven way to increase visibility and engage with your network. Now, let's delve into some tips on how you can do just that. Firstly, sharing industry news is an excellent way to keep your network informed and show that you're on top of current trends. It doesn't only show that you're knowledgeable, but also that you care about your industry's progression. Secondly, consider sharing company updates. Maybe you've just reached a significant milestone, or perhaps you've launched a new product. Sharing these updates keeps your network in the loop and allows them to celebrate your successes with you. Lastly, don't forget about thought leadership articles. These pieces allow you to share your unique insights and perspectives, positioning you as an expert in your field. It's not just about sharing other people's content, but also about contributing your own. By sharing valuable content, you position yourself as a thought leader and attract more potential business partners. LinkedIn offers a range of tools and features to help you grow your business. An array of these tools is designed to assist you in promoting your business, analyzing your performance, and reaching your potential clients effectively. Firstly, we have LinkedIn Ads. This tool provides you with the ability to create targeted ad campaigns, reaching out to the specific demographic that aligns with your business needs. Next, LinkedIn Analytics. It's a powerful tool that gives you insights into who's viewing your content, where they're from, and how they interact with your posts. This allows you to tweak your content strategy and make data-driven decisions. Lastly, there's LinkedIn Sales Navigator, a tool designed to help you find, connect, and build relationships with prospects and customers. It's all about creating meaningful interactions and nurturing those relationships for the long haul. Leveraging these tools can help you reach your target audience and achieve your business goals. Remember, LinkedIn is more than just a networking platform. It's a powerful business tool waiting to be harnessed. LinkedIn is a powerful platform that can significantly boost your business if used effectively. Implement these strategies, create a strong profile, build a robust network, share valuable content, and use LinkedIn's tools to your advantage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful business tips. Until next time, keep leveraging LinkedIn for your business success.